I usually braid my hair once every 2 years, and I do the braiding myself because I have sensitive scalp. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm just braiding my hair. I usually braid my hair myself because I have very sensitive scalp. So I decided to get these braids. I'm using Expression collection in color 27 and also in color 1. I'll put a picture of what I'm using on the screen. This is really not a tutorial. This was just me getting my braids done. Please do not click out of this video. Watch it till the end. I started from the back and I actually made these braids at night. I didn't want any distractions and it took me about 12 hours. I had to take a break. I had to gist with my friends. I had to reply messages, just random breaks. Guys, this is not a tutorial, so I'm just going to play music in the background. I saw this picture on Instagram and the hair was so beautiful, so I decided to get mine done. The last time I braided my hair was in 2018. Since then, I've just been wearing cornrows. I'm a wig person, but let me just warn you, you can never snatch my wig off my scalp. My neck will go with it because I didn't come here to play. I know you all be looking for whose wig to snatch off, not mine.
Let go. It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
It's VQs.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, so me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them are coming, them are looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? I
actually have a video of me showing you guys the hairs. I used the super braids. I used one and then I used the rich braids in black and also in 27.
Man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling. Something that
here is what the back looks like. I'm the best braider in the whole of my city when I was in school. Like, I was the best braider in Cheyenne. Like, I can fix hair and all of that, but I just like to braid.
original bad man, you done know.
It's VQs.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh no. Ah, baby, I can smoke it out. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, girls, them are random. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'm a risk it. I'm a risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, dark she jeje. No they do me, she get. You wanna come move fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh no. Baby, I can smoke it out. Say now you I want to see.
My friend decided to call me and the gist was so sweet that I didn't want to let go of the call. You can see me using my neck. I don't even know what I was thinking, guys. From this call, we went to video call. This was how I took another 2 hours break. Whenever I'm making my friend's hair, A normal hair I'll make for a client for like, let's say 3 to 4 hours. I have this particular friend, I make her hair. We always spend about, let's say 12 hours, because we'll take Dunkin' Donuts break, we'll take pizza break, we'll take movie break. She'll sleep a little, she'll tell me she's tired, we'll laugh, we'll gist, we'll do this. And at the end of the day, I'll spend 12 hours braiding. We just dedicate the whole day to her. She knows herself. She knows herself. And I'm the only one that can braid her hair because she actually doesn't like braiding her hair with someone else except me.
When I wake up in the morning, say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. So nobody better than you. I know. I say nobody proper than you. I know. Then one boy need your money, need your money, Them they feel you from London to SA. We can do it my way, baby. Make you ginger me. I wanna feel ya. Anything you do, make I feel If I know do, I'ma go talk on. Baby, you get rock on. Need for protein, baby. Love you, baby. Dago.
You can see even me that is braiding my hair, it's painful. That's why most times I just have to close my eyes and focus.
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. His body, baby, his body, baby, yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel relate, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Oh, yeah. Steady on time, girl, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm through. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm through the beat. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they.
So I'm almost done. I actually decided to get a middle part because I have like 5 or 7 heads. So if I don't get a middle part, you'll just be seeing my ancestors from my forehead.
Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me. Baby make you follow me, I go give you all of me. Omoto Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise.
This is me attempting to trim this hair. This is the part I hate with braids.
The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want her more. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Why not?
It's time to put the hair in hot water. Please guys, I shall not be talking before I go and pour myself hot water. I was actually sick when I made this hair. I was so sick. I just needed something to like, ginger me, like keep me active. I was really sick.
I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know.
I use hair mousse to just make it look smooth and silky, This color goes with my skin. Just look at my skin. Look at this caramel. Oh my god. Are you seeing this skin? Anyways, I'm done. This is how I actually pack my hair. This is how I pack it. I just leave it at the back. When I finished these braids, I went to sleep because I was tired. So I had to just get this video after like 5 hours. I really like this hair. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys watched this video till this end. Thank you for watching. You guys are the real MVP. I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Guys, look at my braids. I'm a fine girl. I'm a fine girl.